Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an overlay effect to your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button and then tap on photo editor. Select the picture you would like to edit, so tap on it, slide to the left side at the bottom of the page until you find the overlays section. Tap on it and here you can find the overlays that you can apply to your picture. Click on the relevant one and here you have further effects that you can apply, and you can adjust the intensity by the help of this slider in the middle of the screen. You can also blend it in by tapping on the blend option. So here you can find the blends that you can also adjust with the slider. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.